vlog. Now this is my first vlog and I'm here in the Sharjah Shees Park, which is a few kilometers away from Corsica, and we are in the eastern side of UAE. So let's go explore. Now we have places still up there. There's a telescope point at the top, and it's an amazing place. And right now the climate is also really nice. So yeah, let's go explore now. There are many adventurous things you can do over here. This is the map of the Shees Park, and then you can walk from over here, and right now we're over here. So from here to all the way down there, we can walk, and then there is a cafeteria, family setting, a view deck, waterfall, playground, theatre, barbecue, fountain, and a water fountain. So let's head. We're walking to the playground. As you can see, the playground's really big and it's quite spacious also. It's all decorated. But now beside the playground we have a barbecue setup. There's about 4 barbecue sets, and you can come here and enjoy a beautiful picnic. Now an amazing place to come visit, and it's free of cost as well. So I mean, anyone can come here and it's really beautiful. We're going up the steps to the top part, and let's see what we're going to see over there. So come along. We're quite tired from all the coming up and from the stairs and all. And yeah, there are different viewpoints from the staircase. And yeah, now we're gonna go up there and let's see the view from there. Go to the higher part and let's see what other adventurous things we're gonna see over there. Now from here, we're almost up to the top, and from here you can see such gorgeous mountains, and you can take amazing pictures, an amazing landscape. That's the play areas we saw below, and the barbecue stations. Yeah. In the Shees Wadi right now, which is a ½ kilometer below down the Shees Park, and it gives a really natural view, and it looks more like a village area with all these trees and flowers over here. So now we're heading to the Wadi, and let's see, it's quite big. So yeah, we're in the pond. The water is really cold and refreshing. So let's see, there are small fishes around here, and it's quite slippery, but it's a nice experience. My friend, he doesn't like coming to vlogs and all, but this is secretly taking, so let's hope that he doesn't see it. Okay, now we are in the Wadi Shees Nature Trail, which is just a 30 minutes walk to the topmost part. And it's a nice climate. It's very calm and very pleasing. As you can see, these are all the points of interest over here. The old village, the Falja, dates farm, the farm's biodiversity and all. And yeah, these are few information about the Shees area. Okay, so we started our trail from back there, and now we're in the topmost area. So let's see what views we can see from up here. Now we have reached to the village area. It's not a very old village over here. You can see small houses and all these stairs which are made out of rock. In this cave, you can see a few goats. They're all hidden. There's a goat over here, as you can see. And inside also there are many goats. Hi! As we are walking down, we can see these falls, which are natural canals. They flow with water that comes from the rain and all. So it goes directly to the farm or for their livelihood. Okay, now this is all terrace farming, and this was planted by all the civilization over here, and it's all seen in the mountainous areas, and they grew all these plants up above in the mountains for protecting themselves from the invaders. Now this is a guava tree, and then before we've seen an orange tree, and many other plants and fruits and vegetables are its main cultivation over here. Okay, now this is all my family. So that's my mom and my dad. This is Jijinajan and his wife, and their kid over there, Derek. And then this is Deepa auntie. That's Alvin, and then that's Merin, and then my sister. Hi! Okay guys, so now this is the end of the vlog. So we visited the Shees Park, the Shees Wadi, and the Shees Nature Walk. and nature trail, and now we're done with everything and we're going back to Divai. And until the next vlog, bye.